Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to recreate a look that I wore on the weekend to an engagement party. So this is a look you can wear for occasions like engagement parties like I did, or to a wedding, or to prom. So I did keep it quite simple and really soft. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So to start off, I'm going in with the Vichy Dermablend and a concealer brush to carve out my brow. And then just taking a damp sponge and blending that in. Look at those palm trees, damn! Now I'm just going in with an eyebrow pencil and filling in my brows to get that shape I like. And then I'm just picking up this brown powder and an angled brush. This is the Zoeva wing liner brush, and just applying that through the brow. I then like to go back in with the concealer brush and just clean up the edge. For foundation, I'm using my favourite full coverage foundation by Maybelline in the shade Warm Sun, and just taking this on a foundation brush. For concealer, I'm going in with another favourite of mine. This is the Maybelline Instant Eraser Concealer. This is in the shade Nude, and I'm just using that to highlight and conceal. And then blend in again. This is super full coverage. I forgot how much I loved it. I'm then taking the same concealer but in a lighter shade. This is in the shade Light, and just using this to brighten up the under eye. Oh, I went all in with this. And then going in with cream contour and just using this to contour and warm up the face, because you like to be nice and bronze. Look at those palm trees, damn! Again, in all them usual places. Brush and blending that in. Be quite light-handed with this. You don't want to be taking off all that foundation underneath. For powder, I'm going in with the Mercier translucent powder. I'm using this to bake, and I'm just using this with the Morphe 3D, I think it's the contour sponge.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Going in with a hooler bronzer, which I feel like I use all the time. So this is like one of my favourite steps, contouring the nose, and then I'm just going in and bronzing up that face a bit more with MAC Give Me Sun.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Blush, I'm going in with the Morphe 9B palette. I'm picking up Peachy Corally shade, which is my absolute fave. Super pigmented, so you have to be a little light-handed with that. I'm going in with the Zoeva Cocoblend palette. I'm picking up the orange, which is called Substitute for Love. I love these names. And I'm just applying that on the outer corner of the eye and then lightly blending it into the crease. And then just taking a clean brush and blending the edges. We don't want any harsh lines. I'm then going in with it's kind of like a burnt red kind of colour on this fluffy brush by Sigma, and just deepening up that outer corner and then blending the edges again.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
And then going in with this gold shade on a flat shader brush and just packing this on the lid, focusing on the inner corner. And then picking up the darkest colour and just defining the lash line. And then going in with eyelash curlers and the Real Mascara by Benefit, and just applying a thin layer of that because I will be applying lashes later. And then just cleaning away all of that powder underneath the eye. So I just went in then with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter and a flat brush to highlight the brow bone, and just applying that to the inner corner of the eye, and then just with a flat shader brush, just starting off with the orange shade first, just substitute for love, dragging that all the way into the inner corner, and then focusing that burnt red shade on the outer corner and making sure it's nicely blended. Just going back in with Amrezy highlighter and highlighting, and guys, if you haven't got that highlighter, you need it in your life. Can't recommend it enough. Lining my lips with a MAC strip down. Then I'm going in with the NYX lingerie lipstick in Satin Ribbon, which is this lovely nude pink colour. I'm all for pinky nudes. For that extra pout, I'm going in with the Jefree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade, I'm sure it's Nude Beach, and just applying that with a small flat brush and tapping that onto the centre of the lip. It gives you the fullest looking lip, as you will see. This is the look without lashes. And this is the look with lashes. And these are the House of Lashes in Iconic Light. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Like I said, I hope you like this video, and if